Did you know that digital marketing is expected to reach $786 billion by 2026? Yet so many people are missing out on this opportunity because they're afraid of one thing: being on camera. But what if you could build a profitable digital empire without ever showing your face? Today, I'm starting my own faceless digital marketing empire, and I'm going to show you step by step how you can do it too, before this golden opportunity passes you by. Start building your faceless digital marketing empire, now before it's too late. Welcome back to Digital Hustler, where we unlock the best tips and strategies for building an online empire. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to start a faceless digital marketing business, share the tools you'll need, and show you why starting now is more important than ever. The digital landscape is shifting, with more people working from home and seeking financial independence. A faceless digital marketing empire allows you to create and sell products, build a loyal audience, and drive traffic to your website, all without the pressure of being on camera. So, why don't more people dive into digital marketing? Well, some common fears are the fear of putting yourself out there, not knowing where to start, or worrying that you lack the skills to build a brand from scratch. Sound familiar? These are legitimate concerns, but they can hold us back from the incredible opportunities available online. The good news? A faceless digital marketing approach removes a lot of these barriers, allowing you to focus on what truly matters: creating value for your audience. Alright, so let's get into it. Here are 3 powerful strategies and tools to build your faceless digital empire. Strategy 1. Create digital products. The first step is to create digital products like ebooks, online courses, or downloadable templates. These products allow you to share valuable knowledge or skills without being on camera. Tools like Canva for design and platforms like Teachable or Gumroad for selling make it easy to create and distribute your products. Strategy 2. Build a blog or niche website. Second, build a blog or niche website focused on your area of expertise or a high-demand topic. With content like blog posts, how-to guides, or product reviews, you can drive traffic through SEO and affiliate marketing. Platforms like WordPress and tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush for keyword research can help you get started. Strategy 3. Social media and content automation. The third strategy is to leverage social media and content automation. Use platforms like Pinterest or Reddit to drive traffic, while staying faceless. Automate your content posting with tools like Buffer or Hootsuite to reach your audience consistently without being on screen. To see how powerful this approach can be, let's look at a success story. Sarah, a full-time mom, wanted to create a steady income online but didn't want to be on camera. She started a niche blog and created downloadable meal plans for busy families. Within a year, her blog was earning $5,000 per month, all without her face ever being on her brand. Sarah's journey shows that with consistency and the right strategies, a faceless digital empire is possible for anyone. Her biggest takeaway? Focus on delivering real value, and your audience will keep coming back. So let's recap. To build your faceless digital marketing empire, start by creating digital products. Build a blog or website in your niche, and use social media to reach your audience while staying behind the scenes. The key is to start small, be consistent, and remember, digital marketing continues to grow every year. If you begin now, you're setting yourself up for long-term success. Now it's your turn. Drop a comment below if you're ready to start your faceless digital empire, or let me know if you have questions. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And don't forget, if you want more tips on digital marketing, check out my other videos on strategies and tools. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe to stay updated with more digital hustle tips. Until next time, keep hustling.